his eyeballs on it. So cute packaging. Yeah. Okay. Fancy. Next. What we got here? What we got here? We got the pimple patch, star, heart, and a circle. We got oh, this is a little suction thing that you put on your mirror like that. So if I'm recording or doing a live, I just stick it on my mirror and let's go. And then I got a smartphone LED selfie light. I already bought one, but no, I want an extra one. And then we got another microphone. Let's see if it works.
I want to be in the home. Get up.
Look how cute. They're pink.
Ah. They're pink.
And it came with the little pom-poms.
Ah.
Ah, pom-pom, buddy, pom-pom-pom. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. And last but not least, what this is. Ooh. Electric lunchbox. Let's see if this works.
And that was mine.
Yeah.
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 Let's open it up.